Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by AJ and today's video is going to be a wash and go tutorial. So today I'm going to be using the Doux Chief Rocka. This is their extreme moisture mousse, and I'm also going to be using their banana extreme gel, which is also by the Doux. Trying this out because I've been using this product for about a month, and I love the hold, but I'm trying to find the right combination that allows me to work through my hair easier or more easily and still be able to get some longevity with my wear. So I'm going to try the Chief Rocka. I don't know how this is going to turn out because this mousse does not have like a strong hold. But we'll see. We'll see. Already started on this side, and the wash and go is coming out pretty okay. It's already fluffier than I would like. So we'll see. We'll see how this is gonna go. So I'm gonna take this section out, and as you can see, my definition is there. So I'm probably gonna split this in two just to make the sections more manageable. And gonna clip this away, and then I'm gonna go in with the Chief Rocka. Now so I did about 5 pumps, and this is how much. My hair is already damp, so I'm not gonna make it like super wet, which is just gonna dilute both of the products and take forever to dry. So I'm going to work this mousse in. I'm adding enough where that I get that kind of leave-in conditioner feel so I can work through my hair easier, but not too much because this is not like the only product that I'm using. I want really the Bananas Extreme Gel to shine. All right. So I need to apply a little bit more to the roots, and then I'll be good. On another note, my hair is getting so long. If you can see it, it is, let me run through it one more time. It is like almost to my bra. So, okay, we see it. All right, so I'm gonna add the gel. And if you have not seen any videos of anybody using this gel or tried this gel before, it's super thick and kind of like a very thick kind of stronghold gel. It kind of reminds me of like a gorilla snot or something. That's how thick it is. So I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way to the top. And I applied that full amount to this section. All right. So I feel like it's pretty evenly distributed. So I'm just going to rake through my hair. And I'm actually going to make these sections a little bit smaller. That way I can get even smaller curls, or curl clumps rather. So smooth, smooth, and rake. I need to move this section out of the way. Smooth. And I want to make sure I'm smoothing the roots too, because I do have a problem with my roots kind of being puffy and not laying down when they can. So, all right. That looks fine. I don't know. I'm feeling nervous because like it doesn't feel, when I'm running through my hair, I'm not feeling like I'm used to feeling gels. So it's just feeling like I don't have any hold in my hair, and it's just feeling weird. And I'm just used to my hair being soaking wet as well. So it's giving me, it's going to be defined, but it's going to be voluminous. And I can already see this side starting to get the volume, which is fine. I just like my hair to last long because I do have 2 kids. I work full time. I'm busy. I don't got time to be washing my hair multiple times a week. So I try to get it done one time and move on about my day. All right, so let's do this second section, and again, I'm gonna add the mousse. Ooh. Add my bananas. All right. Ooh. If you would like to know what other product combos I've tried with the bananas extreme gel, leave a comment down below and I can let you all know. And I can also make a video on like what those sets turn out like. Because none of my sets have been like absolutely terrible. They just don't turn out with the longevity that I'm looking for. But it's not to say that, you know, I can't use those. It just, I would have to have, you know, a realistic expectation. I like my hair to last 7 to 10 days. Those sets that I use were not giving 7 to 10 days. So just, you know, knowing what my goals are helps a lot. So let me turn and going all the way from the roots. And I mean, it's really working well together as far as like the ease of me getting through my hair. So let me smooth that section down. All right. And then this last section. All right. I'm gonna come back when I'm a little bit closer to the top and let you guys see how it's turning out. All right, so I'm majority of the way done. So I thought I'd come back on camera so you guys can see what I am doing. For the top section, I have been taking a little bit of water on my hand and just kind of grabbing the section just to get it damp. I don't want my hair soaking wet at all because I'm not trying to dilute the product. So I will show you what I'm doing. Water and just grabbing it so my hair can be a little bit wet, a little damp. Just add some water back. All right, got water on my glasses. Okay, that's enough. So this is the finished result. I am going to sit under the hooded dryer. My hair does not feel wet at all. So I'm thinking it's probably going to take me like 30 minutes, if that, to dry my hair. So I'll come back after and show you guys what the end result is looking like for day one. But I do think that for the wet look, I mean, it's not wet, but wet, damp look, it looks pretty good. It is already a little bit voluminous though, so we'll see. Not expecting this to be a 7 to 10 day wash and go, but we'll see. All right, I'll come back. All right, guys, so here's what my hair looks like. 90% dry. I do feel like there is a slight cast on my hair, which I am excited about because I do want that longevity of a stronghold gel. But I can tell just from the definition and the clumps and kind of the volume that I'm already getting that I am going to have big hair, which is it's very common for my sets to get big because I have a lot of hair, high density girly. But I do not want big hair on day one where the curls are just non-existent and I just have an afro. Nothing wrong with that, just not how I want to wear my hair for day one. So I am feeling a little bit of a cast, but I don't know. We'll see how it wears. I will do a spin for you guys so you can see what my hair looks like from the back and just let you guys see like up close. So here's a spin. I'm sure the back looks a little funky, but it's all right. And then when I get up close, you can see there is definitely definition. I can definitely tell I use a mousse, but still like it has a little frizz to it, which is okay. I'm not mad at it. I'm just more so worried about longevity. But as you can see, the mousse definitely shrunk my curls up. That's why I can always tell when I use the mousse. And here is what this side looks like. So yeah, we'll see how it wears.